Alrighty, Dusty Crew. I've been itching to make some upgrades on the Dust Buggy, and this is an easy enough one that I think I can tackle without messing up too badly. Some seat covers and harnesses. And yeah, I already messed up, okay? I cut the one side too high. Oh well, you know what? It's all a learning process, and I'm just happy that I'm actually doing it. Alright, on this side, I just got the seatbelt bolt off of there and off of there. So, now what I'm gonna do is I'm taking those screws. I don't know the difference between bolts and screws. I don't know terminology. I don't know any of what I'm doing, but I don't even know if it's right. So this is what I'm doing. Taking the stud, whatever the fuck this is, and I'm cleaning it with some brake clean. Then I'm putting some Vibrotite on it. And I don't know, this is how much I'm putting on. It's half of the thread. I don't know. It said fill 50%. I don't know what that means. I don't know what any of this stuff is. I'm just doing the best that I can. I'm gonna learn while I go. And then I have this seat cover. And I need to put it in the bug and cut holes in it and not be off location this time. So hopefully it looks better. Oh, here comes the bitch. Alright, so these are connected in the back, so I can't just undo that and take them off. I have to push this through there, and then that's not even the biggest problem. The biggest problem is I have this and this to push through at the same time. So, oh, it's gonna take me a little while. Wish me luck. Steering wheel mount for the win. Alright. God, this is gonna be such a bitch. It's so smooth sailing, and these are my driving gloves when it gets cold out. Nice. Fuzzy. Oh my god, that worked. Yes! Well, one side at least. Oh, yes! I lied. That wasn't the bitch. This is the bitch. Because this is so much thicker. Come on. Oh, come on. Yes! Yeah. Oh, God. The breath slides right out. Oh, God. Yes, we did it. I'm so messed up because one says passenger and the other says driver's seat. I have no idea what the difference is, but I'm assuming there's really no difference. And it's not a perfect fit because, you know, they're just an Amazon special. Because that's my favorite thing. Amazon special. And maybe I should take everything off the seat before I put the seat cover on. Just maybe a little suggestion. And then try to even it out as best as I can. Okay, so here's the thing. The seat belts don't exactly fit And that's because Spencer never... I thought that we had a bar across here, but turns out we were using the bar back there. So I took our old seat belts and I'm repurposing them a little bit. Eventually that'll get fixed, but yeah. By the way, this is what they look like outside the car. I like the purple. Alright, I'll take it. Doesn't look too bad, actually. Not a perfect fit, obviously, but I'll take it. I figured it made sense to clean up the battery terminals while I was at it, just to keep her happy, because I did notice that they were getting a little bit dirty. So I went ahead, cleaned them up, and then slapped some corrosion prevention on them just to be safe. But unfortunately, at the end of the night, when I took her out for a test drive to test out the harnesses, this is how my night's going. Yeah, that's oil. That's also how I found out my idiot light wasn't working. And this is the culprit right there. So, after cleaning up the whole huge oil mess, I tightened down all of my hose clamps. But thankfully, this all happened in front of Spencer's house, so I was able to figure out that my oil pressure light never came on, which means that I had an issue there. So I traced it to the ground wire not working. So what I did to solve that was just reran another wire from the switch to the light, and... Alright, moment of truth. Let's see if it comes on. Ooh, and... Never mind my starter.